What it do? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. Today we are on the way just to get in the car, talk about a few things, but first and foremost, there's some stuff going on in this in my area, so let's talk about it. Look at my baby right there, man. It is so foggy. The air is so horrible. You guys probably can't even see it on the camera, but it's so foggy outside. The skies are pure dark. And I'm breathing this shit. I'm supposed to be in the house, but I need to make a video for you guys. Let me get the car. The car is extremely dirty. A lot of the debris from the fire that's going on. But Jesus Christ, it's a lot of debris. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo. I want to thank everybody for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Today is just a crazy day. Yeah, it's a lot of fires going on right now. It's a lot of fires. There's fires in the town that I stay in as well. It's you know, it's real tough. I pray for everybody that's been affected with the fire. It's been so bad that I haven't been outside the house. I've been staying in the house for like the last 2 days, really just staying in the house. Haven't made no videos. It's kind of hard to make videos with the COVID shit going on, plus the fires that's going all around my town. The air is very bad to breathe. That's why I just been staying in the house. So I do apologize for the lack of the videos. I haven't been posting because I'm just trying to stay safe, man. That's all I can do. Looking for one of my masks. But anyways, this is what's going on, man. It's a part of the world we living in, man. It's so much crazy shit going on. Okay, I got me a mask. But so much crazy shit going on in this world, and you know, I just pray for everybody, like I always do, and I always tell you guys. But yeah, it's the world we're living in. But I'm just gonna talk a little bit. I do have some ideas that I want to do for this car. Eventually, I'm going to do it. You know, so let's do this. But first thing first, man, I do want to eventually do a new makeover to this Integra and also the 350Z. But right now, we're going to be doing some makeover to the Integra. With this Integra, I want to do a whole vinyl wrap. I'm going to do a full vinyl wrap. I'm going to get the car wrapped. No more camo. I'm going to change it up. I got a perfect color, and it's going to be a color that I'm going to do to all my cars. Every car from now on, every car that I have is going to get this vinyl wrap. And it's one of my favorite fucking colors. One of my favorite colors. And I'm about to do it. I'm definitely going to do it and get that color. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. You guys are just going to stay tuned. You guys definitely going to love it. Definitely going to love it, man. So that's what I'm about to do. And just want to keep you guys updated with what's going on. Definitely gonna be updating this car very soon, man. Yeah. So I just want to let you guys know that. But like I said, man, the fire is crazy out here. I'm really, I'm just overwhelmed with just all the natural disasters going on around this world. I do pray for everybody, man. Stay safe and do the right things that you got to do. Stay with your mask on. You know, just trying to prevent as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? But it's bad. I'm gonna show you guys. And I don't know if you guys really noticed, but in my last video, the beginning of the last video I posted, you guys see the lightning strikes behind me. Well, that's what caused all the fires. We had a massive. Let me just show you how bad it is. So bad. I think the camera is not picking it up, but it's so cloudy. Like I really don't want to have my window down. I need air, but yeah, you guys can't really see. But it's so cloudy out here, and it's just all smoke. In my town is actually in fire right now. So what happened is, the lightning strikes that we had some severe, massive lightning strikes that we never had as much, and it came at the wrong time. It came when we have 100-degree weather with no rain, no wind. You know what I'm saying? So it was kind of bizarre. It's crazy, but those lightning strikes or thunderstorms or whatever you want to call it, thunder strikes, lightning strikes. It basically hit some mountain areas. Does dry air, like basically dry land. And since it's already hot as fuck out here right now, we're having a heat wave situation. It caught us on fire. Yeah, so we really dealing with a lot of fire crisis right now. And it's so hot. And my car has no AC right now, so I really don't want to be breathing this air in. But I gotta do what I gotta do, man. It's just crazy. It's crazy how this world is how this world is really going. And I already been told you guys multiple times in a few videos of what shit gonna be looking like pretty soon. You know what I'm saying? But it's crazy, man. It is fucking crazy. The whole town is just in massive fire, man. So many fire. And then it's so hot. We having a heat wave. It's like 100+ degrees today. You know? It doesn't even do no justice. If I show you guys on camera, it does no justice. But it is foggy as shit. I don't know. Damn, it's just bad. Oh my God. I'm praying for everybody out here that's being affected with this shit, man. And really don't need to be breathing this. I just need to grab me something to snack on, you know what I'm saying? But it's bad. Yeah, so once we get the Z kind of taken care of, then I'm going to begin this car vinyl wrapped. I'm going to be doing some more stuff with this car. I know I've been telling you guys I'm not gonna do too much with this car since it's my commuter, but we're gonna really get this car looking super good. New wheels gonna be coming, so we're gonna do a lot of things. New wheels. We're gonna get some coilovers to get this car nice and looking with some bigger wheels. Yeah, I can't wait for the vinyl wrap. The vinyl wrap is gonna be game changer. You guys definitely gonna love the color I'm about to roll with. And I want to wrap all my cars. I want all my cars to be one color. I think that's like so fucking dope. And when I used to play GTA video games or if Need for Speed games, I make all my cars like one color. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm thinking about doing, and that's what I'm going to do. You know what I'm saying? I always go with my gut and whatever it's telling me. But we definitely about to give this car a makeover. And I'm so excited. And then I'm maybe tempted. If all the views and shit start going up and, you know, I can make a little bit more money on YouTube, then for sure, shit, fuck it. We just gonna supercharge this car. I really want to do a supercharger with the Integra, but then at the same time, I still want to have my car good with gas. So I just don't know, and we're just gonna have to see. But everything's looking good, though. Everything's looking good. And then I don't know. It's just this world is crazy, man. It's really going through some shit, man. And I just pray for it. But then another thing I want to talk about, the Z. We'll be back soon, man. I got to order some more parts. We're just having some difficulties right now, but it will be running back. I got to order a few more things for the car, and we should be good because I do have some aftermarket parts that I did buy, and the best thing for 350Zs are basically Nissan cars. You want to stick with OEM parts, so I have to reorder some things, OEM, especially the sensors, yeah. So that's just what it's looking like. We just got to do what we got to do, and everything else is going to go through. And I just wanted to make a quick video, just talk to you guys and let you guys know what's going on. Why I haven't been posting no videos in the last couple of days, just because of all this massive fire, and I'm really not trying to be outside. And plus, I suffer with breathing problems already, so it's like I just trying to keep myself in the safest position. So I hope you guys understand that. And yeah. We're going to try to continue doing what we got to do, man. And I hope you guys all stay safe. I hope you guys all stay blessed. I love you guys, and take care.